Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to change Gmail phone number on mobile. So if you also want to change Gmail phone number on mobile, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Gmail application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Gmail application has been opened. Now in order to change the Gmail phone number, what you have to do is go to settings. For that, simply tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for all inboxes, primary, promotions, social, updates, etc. Simply scroll down. Now over here what you have to do is find the option for settings. You can see the option for settings at second last over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the settings interface. Over here you'll be able to find several settings options. At first, under the account section, you'll be able to find the option for manage your Google account. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to see your Google account. You can see several options like home, personal info, data and privacy, security, people and sharing, payments and subscriptions. What you have to do is tap on the second option, that is personal info. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the personal info interface. Over here you'll be able to find your personal information. You'll be able to find the information regarding your profile picture, name, birthday, etc. Scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for contact info. You can see email and phone over here. All you have to do is tap on the phone option that you can see at second. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the phone number that has been added to your Google account over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the phone number over here. Right above the phone number at right, you'll be able to find two icons over here. One icon is for edit and other icon is for delete. Simply tap on the pencil icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to update the number. At bottom right corner you'll be able to find the option for update number. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to update the number. Make sure to select the country code. Now after that what you have to do is enter your phone number. After you enter the new phone number, simply tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now to make sure this number is yours, Google will send you a verification code. Simply tap on the option get code that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that you'll be able to get the code. Due to some reason I'm not being able to receive the code, but you'll definitely receive the verification code. After that what you have to do is enter the verification code over there. After that your phone number will be verified and your phone number will be changed. So that is how you change Gmail phone number on mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.